Salut les amis, soyez les bienvenus sur Olive Academy. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson with Chapitre 4, les diphtongues, that is diphthongs. If this is the first time you are watching our videos on YouTube, you can get the link to the previous videos in the description. Let's continue, but don't forget to subscribe and like. On y va. Les diphtongues. Les diphtongues. We are coming to learn diphthongs in French. Répétez après moi. I, a, ia. I, o, io. I, e, ie. I, e, ie. Ia, io, ie, ie. Previously, we have seen syllables, and in a syllable, we have only one sound. Now, in this syllable, the two vowels come together to form one syllable. But in that one syllable, they all sound. So we have ear, and that is diphthong, a syllable which contains two vowels, two independent vowels. They are independent because they all sound in the same syllable. So it starts with the sound of the first vowel and ends with the sound of the second vowel. So we have I, a, ear. Now you can hear a sound y inside. Ia, io, ie, ie. J'espère que c'est clair. Alors, on y va. Répétez. D, ia, dia. Now, don't forget, you have learned this sound previously, that when D is behind E, it sound D. So that's why we have dia. That was in chapter 2, lesson 5C, where we have seen the sound D. So we have seen that behind E and U, the sound Z. So we have G and G. You can get that lesson in chapter 2, lesson 5C. But for today, let's continue with our lesson. Les diphtongues. Répétez après moi. Dia, dio, die, die. Fia, fio, fie, fie. Lia, lio, lie, lie. Mia, mio, mie, mie. Ria, rio, rie, rie. Via, vio, vie, vie. In the next page, you will see that the O sound O. Liaison. Let's read. Lié, dédié, fiable, défier, marié, dévier, liable. La fiole, la diode, le mariage, amiable, miocène, la diérèse. La diabète est une maladie familière. So you do liaison over here. We have learned about liaison in the past videos. So you combine this last consonant with the next vowel. So it goes like this. La diabète est une maladie familière. Eva est la première. Elle est fière. Lionel est anémié. The same thing here. Lionel est anémié. René est derrière la rivière. Mario a violé Olivia. You will see that in the exception of Mario, which we have io, the rest of them we have io, violé, Lionel, diode, fiole, miocène. Merci, nous sommes à la fin de cette leçon. Rendez-vous à la prochaine fois. Au revoir.